What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review recently released French movie on Netflix, Madame Claude. The story revolves around Fernand Groudet. Sorry for mispronunciation of French name. And she was born in July 6, 1923. And she just idolized herself because she really wanted to manipulate things, and most of the time she always used mythologization so that she could portray herself most trusted in this business, because she said that the people could only pay for two things, food and this. So that's why she built her empire on the basis of all those young girls at that time, and to serve the rich and the elite community, the highest among us, among the civilians. So she also called herself moniker of Madame Claude. So that's why she take this name with a high prestige, and she dominated the uh, that era around 1960s. Why? Because she knew that what people really need at that time, and how you can survive in this market by doing something what the usually others could not do. So what she gives, she uses her girls, she normally names them Claudettes or swans. So all these swans, they get the very critical intel information from the high profile civilians or bureaucrats or diplomats or very high class officials. That information given to her then forward to police or other agencies, so that she can remain in this business and she will not be in touch. Because here is a problem. The problem is that all the truth that you really need should never be told sometimes, if you are from the very poor background. So that's what you could find here, because she was born from a very poor family. And because in the movie you could see also, she is telling at the age of 17, or she at that time she just become a mother, and she had to take care of her mother and daughter. So in this all battle, she has to make a way for herself to survive, and she pick only all those women, those who are uh, really reliable but smart. So she was their mentor. Once she started having money, so definitely if you have money, you will really whatever you say, it becomes a word, and the people start believing you. So that's why she had a link with all those officials at that time. And it could be good if you have relations with them, and it could be the worst, because you could really face your worst nightmare. And that happened with her also. Why? Because definitely there is always not one part of the story, there is another part of the stories, and some would really be not interested in having this women in the market and knowing too much information, because she had her office at one of the highest rich and famous posh area of France, 32 Rue. So I don't know, I cannot pronounce very well about that also, but she made her grip in the society so that all the people could really believe what she does. So she was always put most of the time she was also putting the lives of the girls at the danger of what happens. She, in her biography, she wanted to share with the world, because at, at that time it was very hard to bring up, because she 1960 she opened the business, 73 she was hit by her own worker, and then she went to California to start this kind of particular business in Hollywood, but it didn't work out, and she served there also, and then came back to France also, and then went behind bars again, and she wanted to restart her business again, but it was not good for the people, especially all those who were over there, and especially high officials and bureaucrats. They were not interested in having this women in the market, because for certain level it is okay, but once you do something beyond your capacity, and you cannot even able to afford that kind of danger. You shouldn't touch these kind of things. And then in the end, she just give this information to the media so that they can make movie out of it, and it's very engaging and very gripping, and you will see that what are the key things that really happened in her life. And I hope you really enjoy it. It is good to watch it, and especially it's good to review some or watch movies from different countries and cultures, so you can understand that what is the reason and what are the history they have. So kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. If any information that I really forgot, or I could have uh, forgot certain points that I have wrote it, and because I know that at one time she said that I am the role model of my mother. So because she just uh, done something at that time the women could not do, because at that era the women were more reserved and more uh, not so optimist as she could be. So she came out of that circle. That's why certain people didn't like it. So kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much, and have a great weekend. Bye bye.